Here are some Amazon promo codes and deals happening today. To find the links to these items, go to amazon.com/shop/BarbGrayjack. I need 1,000 followers on TikTok before I can post a link in my bio. Please give me a follow and like this video. I will include a graphic at the end of the video with the code, so get ready to take a screenshot. So originally this computer was $549. Now it's down to $269.50, which is a 51% savings when you use this code. Up next are these noise canceling headphones. They are available in different colors. I don't know if the promo will work with all the colors though. Enter this code at checkout to get 90% off. Up next is a mini drone with camera. The regular price is $359. I did not need a coupon code. I was just able to redeem that coupon at checkout, and I received it for $36. I was able to bring our cart down from $1,189.97 down to $353.51. I was able to get a laptop, a mini drone, as well as the headphones. Here are the codes just as I promised. Head on over to amazon.com/shop/BarbGrayjack for all of the links.